This will be a short video guide for how to utilize the Opportunity Scorecard within the Technomile Growth application. You can see I'm logged into Technomile up at the top, and referencing the left-hand side, I'm on an opportunity, presently the Installation Support and Sustainment Services opportunity. In order to access the scorecard, I'll click the three ellipses and then the scorecard. Note that this may be displayed in your top navigation bar. It will depend on the size of your monitor. Here, the tasks and activities that are expected to be completed at each stage of the opportunity in the pipeline, also grouped by category of activity, will be displayed. The tasks and activities that are included by default are based on the Shipley process. However, your organization may have made changes to the tasks that are included in your opportunity scorecard. So opening up, for instance, the interest stage, here we have the three tasks that were assigned to be completed. There is a marker of our status. Each of these started at the, of course, not started status. And as we progressed in accomplishing these, I came back and added notes and marked my progress as complete. Again, if we want to view this by category as well, which could encompass multiple stages, this is another way to view this scorecard. So for instance, in the identify and assessment phase, one of the things we'll need to do is a black hat assessment. Let's say that I'm writing a list of potential competitors, so we'll go ahead and mark that in progress, and maybe I list out here the competitors that I'm going to conduct that black hat for. Scrolling down, we can go ahead and mark our progress on these other tasks. We'll say that we've started these. And we'll go ahead and save to update. You'll see that the color indicating our progress will update as we do so. These start as red for not started, yellow when it is in progress, and then green once we have completed it. Again, keep in mind your organization may have changed the tasks included in the scorecard. They may have also changed the labels on the pipeline stages, but the functionality is still the same. So here, again, as we progress, we come and update our progress to mark that these items are completed and save. Each of these items will include a due date. If that due date passes, you'll receive notification, and also it'll be listed in the overdue items section.